Hi viewers, welcome to another vlog where I shall be going to CBD Perth to watch the fireworks on Australia Day using my beautiful little Durban boat. Here we'll be starting from Goodwood boat ramp near the Optus Stadium, cruising all along the Swan River, getting south near the casino, and then hitting the CBD right opposite the Elizabeth Quay. Right now you can see that we are cruising right in front of Optus Stadium, and that's a beautiful Matagrup bridge. It's a footbridge, got a beautiful lighting on it, and that's a beautiful reflection on the water. Two arches, left and right, symbolizes the black and white swans, highlighting of coming together of diverse cultures. We are heading towards Perth CBD. You can see the Perth Heights across the river. It's a beautiful night. Wind is just 12 to 14 knots. A little bit of wavy. That's really a great fun in this river.
That's the beauty of river cruising.
You can see a lot of boats around. There are party boats, private boats. Everyone is here, waiting for the fireworks to start. I believe it's just 10 to 15 minutes away. I'll be showing you the entire fireworks from my boat from the Swan River. Can you see these two arches near the CBD? These are changing colors: red, purple, blue, yellow, and that gives a beautiful impression in the water. The atmosphere is electric. Families, friends, and visitors from all over come together, united by the promise of a spectacular display of fireworks. Look at this party boat. Heaps of people enjoying this night, anxiously waiting for the fireworks to start. And there it is. The fireworks have started. Just a slow pace to start with, and we'll go to the peak after a few minutes. And these are marine police boats securing the area, restricting any movement under the bridge towards the Elizabeth Quay, where the fireworks is taking place. As the fireworks soar and burst, it paints the sky with vibrant hues, each one a testament to the joy and pride felt on this special day.
The beautiful fireworks that started off. Wow, wonderful.
Just have a look. The reflection of the water creates a canvas that celebrates the spirit of Australia. As the final display lights up the night, we are reminded of the unity and resilience that define Australia. From the heart of Perth, we celebrate this Australia Day with a spectacle that will be remembered for years to come. Well, that was a great event, a great show. We're gonna head back now to our boat ramp. On the left side, you can see the high-rise buildings of CBD. We're going up north. That's a beautiful restaurant on our left side, just short of Albany Highway on the point. We'll be going under the Albany Highway bridge. Oh, look at this wine bottle. We're gonna just cross under this beautiful Meadowcroft Bridge. On the right side, we've got the Optus Stadium, and then we're straight heading towards our boat ramp. Well guys, I'm sure you must have loved and enjoyed this vlog. Please do subscribe my channel and have a great day. All the best.